Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Sahil Vats. And today, what we are going to do is we are going to make an account on Easiest on CDSL where your all the shares are stored. Okay. So you need to register on Easiest when you have not given the power of attorney to your depository participant. Okay. So, power of attorney is basically the authority to act for another person in a specified or all legal or financial matters. That means that if you have given the power of attorney to your DP, then you need not to create any account here. It will be done by your information only. You just have to provide information to your DP and DP will do all the work. But if you haven't given the authority to your DP to access your share, then what you need to do for selling the delivery share, you need to first create account on CDSL easiest, and then you have to transfer share from their demat account to your DP demat account. Then only your delivery share will get sold in the market. Okay. And also you cannot keep your you can transfer your share from here to your DP, but it will be not there forever if you did it once time. And there has a period like for the quarterly, like it depends on the settlement period, whichever settlement period you have chosen. At the settlement period, if you haven't sold the shares in your like DP account, which is transferred from here to DP, then it will automatically get transferred back to your CDSL easiest. Okay, then you have to do it again. So it is a tiresome process. So basically I prefer POA, but okay, let's learn this also. POA is paid service, so let's save some bucks and do it by your own, because this is also easy. So what you have to do, I guess you understood the concept. If you want to know more about easiest, you can go to quick links and click to the easiest, and there you can see questions and answers, so you can read all this. Otherwise I tell you the gist, which was the crux of the easiest. It is basically the transferring of security to your CDSL to your DP account, DP demat account, when you haven't given the power of attorney, and it is helpful for selling of delivery shares. Otherwise your share won't be sold in the market if power of attorney is not given. Okay, so let's make the account now. So this is the home page of CDSL. Now you will go on to login to DDP. Click on it. Here you can see that to register for easiest, so just go and click over here, and on the first page you will find the demat detail. Okay, so these two detail you can easily find out from your DP, also from their support team, or you can just check your old mail, because in the starting when you have opened your account you must have given these two detail. Okay, or you can ask from the support team also. And client ID is basically your demat ID, which is also given at the time of when you were opening your demat account with your DP. Okay, so just fill this and click continue. Okay, so I'll be filling client ID because it's a sensitive information, and I will be click continue. Then what will happen after filling up the demat detail, you will get your OTP on your registered mobile number, which you have given at the time of your opening of demat account, and which is registered with the CDSL. Okay, so you can directly put, I got the OTP, so I am putting it over here. Okay, then again click continue. Now you can verify your account detail from here. You can see that this is your DP ID, this is email, client ID and mobile number. You can verify your account detail, and you need to enter here your preferred username. This then you need to add on the security question. You can add any question. What is the, when did you first, person, Then from here, account type, after filling up the security question and your preferred username detail also, in the account type you need to choose trusted account pin. Okay, then click on continue. Okay, so here you can see that registration successful, registration request forwarded to DP for the authentication. You can click OK. So now you need to enter your trusted BOID detail, which again you will get from your support team of your DP. Okay, so like I got the this is my support team page opened here. So you can see that it has given me all the detail which is required. Okay, so this one is the corporate collateral account, which is your account with Finvacia. So first enter that account, corporate collateral. Okay, I just entered corporate collateral and then submit. Then again you have to verify it. Okay, I got the OTP and verify. Second, what you need to do, you need to enter the registration number of your DP with NSC and PSC. First NSC. Okay, so do this in sequence only. First your client collateral number and second your NSC number. Okay, here you can see this is NSC number, BSC ID and NSC ID. Submit it and again verify it from your OTP. So success. Now the last part is BSC ID. And then this also submit here. So okay, again verify it from the OTP you will get. Okay, so it is showing success now. Okay, so now we have done most of the things, so now you can click on to continue. So here you will find that list of BO accounts from grouping all this. You need to do anything here. Okay, just click on continue. Congratulations, you are successfully registered for the easiest. Now what will happen, your DP will get the request for your account opening, and when it verify from his side, then you will be able to log in from your DP account within 24 hours. It basically happens, and after the verification from your DP side, it takes 24 hours to activate it, and after 24 hours you can start transferring your securities from here to your depository participant, and then only you can sell your delivery shares if you haven't given the power of attorney to your DP. Okay, so I hope guys this is the easiest tutorial of the easiest account, easiest registration only. Okay, so if you like this video, you can share with your friends also, so that they also don't find difficulty in registering. And in the second video what we'll do, we will see how to transfer share from here to here. I can only do after my account is activated, so that's why I haven't completed that part. I haven't taken that part in this video itself. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Let's meet you in another video.